In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images and icons from a Figma design template. By the end, you'll know how to select the right content, choose the best format, and export clean files you can reuse anywhere. Open your design and locate the frame that holds the images or icons you want. In Figma, a frame is the container for a screen, section, or component. Click directly on the frame on the canvas. If you're unsure you've selected the whole frame and not a single layer, check the Layers panel on the left. The highlight should be on the frame name, not a nested item. Zoom in if needed. And make sure the blue outline surrounds the entire screen area, not just a single icon. If your icon sits inside a component on that frame, selecting the frame will export what you see on the canvas, including that icon. Selecting the full frame ensures everything inside is exported exactly as shown. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Export section. This is where you control what gets saved and how it's formatted. If export isn't visible, reselect the frame. The controls only appear for selected items. Next, choose the file format. Pick PNG for photos, UI mockups, and anything that needs a crisp raster image with optional transparency. Choose SVG for icons and simple vector artwork you might scale or edit in code later. SVG keeps paths editable and is ideal for flat, single color, or limited color icons. Note that complex shadows, blurs, or gradients may not translate perfectly to SVG. In those cases, PNG will capture the appearance exactly. If you need different sizes, adjust the size multiplier here so your export suits high-resolution displays. Keep background behavior in mind too. PNG can export with transparency if the frame has no fill. When your settings look right, click Export Frame. Figma generates the file and saves it to your default download location. On systems that prompt for a location, choose the folder where you keep design assets to stay organized. The file name uses the frame's name, so clear naming makes assets easier to manage. If the result isn't what you expected, confirm you selected the correct frame, check for hidden layers, and verify the format choice. Blurry icons usually mean a PNG exported too small. Switch to SVG for vectors or increase the scale. And that's all there is to it. You clicked the frame, opened Export, chose PNG or SVG, and exported the frame to your computer. Use the same approach for other frames in your project to build a clean, consistent asset library fast.